Sophie, how about a big way home to everyone? Well, you know what, Sophie, we're hosting an adventure. We are very much concerned about our environment. Well, even our sea lions want to do their part to help protect the ocean, which of course is their natural home. So Sophie, are you ready? Yes, we are ready. Now good, now let's show you how sharp we are. Alright, ready? Attention! Sophie, what are you doing? You're not supposed to sleep, girl. See? Get up! Sophie's not in front of the guests. Wake up! Well, I know, would you like some fish? Very funny, Sophie. Now, to work in the field, our sea lions must be strong and physically fit. So that is not a problem for Sophie because she is a South American sea lion. She's not a seal, but how can you tell? First, he has these big and powerful broad flippers. Well, how powerful are they? Well, check this out. Drum roll, please. Alright, now to work in the field, that is our sea lions must be strong and physically fit. Well, that is not a problem for Sophie because they have this back flippers that rotate the moving on land so easy. Okay, Sophie, show them our back flippers. There you go. While true seals, on the other hand, are very much different. They have small front flippers and their back flippers don't rotate, so on land they move a little bit funny. Now folks, if you want to see Sophie imitate a seal, alright? Come on folks, would you like to? Alright, okay, Sophie, you heard them? Show them a seal. Sophie, that looks like a seal, alright? And this is how seals walk. See what we mean? A little bit fun on land. Don't think of that fun for Sophie. Okay, now folks, moving on to Sophie.
mahal ka ni Ma'am Jo. Kuya, mahal ka ni Ma'am Jo. Alright, so folks, how about another big round of applause? So, papunta na po kami ngayon. Papakain na po kami ng mga tiger. Kaway, kaway! Sa left side po natin. Ayun na yung tiger. Ayun na, ang dami na niya na pag-ibig. Ayun na, kahit pag-ibig ito yan. Meg! Ayun yung isa. Sa left side naman po natin, yan naman po yung aming tiger cage. Hindi po makikita rin pati naman po ng tiger na pinakaroon ng tulog na ating ground. Meron po kami 15 heads ng tiger dyan. May group po sila, 4 group po sila. Ano po pangalan yan? Si Leng po. Leng?
Hi, Leng. Hi, Leng.
Leng! Ginawang po po. Oo nga. Rawr! Naman po yung nakikita na. Jade, baka makain ka, ma'am. Huwag kayo masyadong gigilid dyan, ha. Huwag kayo masyadong gumilid na gilid, ha. Baka kaya wala na kayo dyan. Darling! Hindi na, kuya. Ba't sabi ni Nicolo, nasa doon yung pagkain natin? Ayun na, Len! 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 White. Yan ang po yun.
Ay, nasa pa Snow White. Ayun! Si Snow White. Ayun, nasa likod ng... Ayun, si Snow White to. Nagtatago sa likodan ng ano.
White.
Maganda na ako dyan. Ayun nga yun siya.
Nandyan?
Ayun po.
Snow White.
Makain dyan. Picturean mo pa. Hindi ko nga maano. Ayun o, nasa doon sa dulo. Ayun na may pisate.
Ayun na si Leng. Ayun na si Leng. Leng! Hi, Leng! Leng!
First row po muna.
Oh! Parang gusto ko na mag-alaga. Leng! Dahan-dahan lang pala silang kumain. Na, hindi rin talagang gutom na gutom na. Pero pag gutom na gutom, parang lapa ko lapa. Ganun.
Parang ganyan. Ganita kong baltak siya. Pagka-abot sa training. Leng, halika, Leng, oh.
Leng! Leng, halika tayo. Uwi na kita. Grabe.
Isa po siyang 3 years old tiger po.
Oo. Matanda ka pa sa amin pero ang laki nito.
Kakakain din po. Basta wag lang po ilalabas dito pag lumabas yung kamay niya.
Sarap. Sarap, Leng. Lalaki to.
Yun naman po si Blackjack.
Lalaki to, kuya.
Babae po.
Hi, Leng.
Yun naman po si...
Leng. Ang cute. Ang cute naman ni Leng. Leng.
Sa isang araw po, nakakabot po siya ng 10 to 15 kilos po ng chicken niya.
Grabe ka.
Bata pa kasi.
Ganda mo naman.
Pina natin.
Ha? Ganda mo.
Sabi mo sa bukas.
Uy, ganda mo naman. Ha?
Kaya mag-selfie po siya.
Ay, sige.
Habang